Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to chat, make video calls, and create groups in Gmail. Your complete guide for 2025. If you've ever wanted to keep all your communication in one place, this tutorial is for you. First, open Gmail and look for the settings icon. That small gear in the top right corner. Click it, then choose See All Settings. On the settings page, head to the Chat and Meet tab. Here, make sure Google Chat is enabled, then hit Save Changes at the bottom. Gmail will refresh, and now your chat and video call options are ready to use. Next, check your Gmail sidebar for the chat section. Click New Chat, type the email address of the person you want to message, and hit Start Chat. Make sure the email is correct. One small typo can send your message to the wrong person. From here, you can easily send messages or start a video call by clicking the video camera icon. It rings the other person, and once they answer, you're live. Creating groups is just as simple. In the chat section, click Create Room, give it a name, and add participants. Now you can chat or video call with multiple people at once, perfect for work teams or friend groups. And that's it. With these steps, Gmail becomes more than just an email platform. It's a hub for messaging, video calls, and group communication all in one place. Try it out and stay connected like a pro.